In the heart of a forgotten forest, the trees whispered secrets of a time when balance reigned. But now, the predators had vanished, leaving prey unchecked. The forest grew silent save for the eerie rustle of leaves. A lone traveler stumbled upon this desolate place, feeling eyes upon him. Shadows twisted, forming grotesque shapes that seemed to breathe. The air thickened, suffocating him with dread. He realized too late that the forest itself had become the predator, hungry for life. Roots coiled around his ankles, pulling him into the earth. As darkness consumed him, he heard the forest's voice. Balance must be restored. Like, comment, and subscribe for more chilling tales.